As a maintenance manager, you know the challenges of keeping your electrical assets running smoothly. Unplanned shutdowns, aging equipment, and the constant pressure to reduce costs while improving reliability. These are the issues that keep you up at night. But what if you could see the future of your assets? What if you could predict failures before they happen, optimize your maintenance schedules, and extend the life of your equipment? Introducing Siemens Electrification X, Asset Management, your digital partner in proactive maintenance. By incorporating state-of-the-art IoT sensors into your medium-voltage switchgears, you gain unprecedented visibility into your asset's health and performance. These sensors act as the eyes and ears of your equipment, continuously monitoring critical parameters like temperature, humidity, partial discharge, and circuit breaker operation. All this valuable data is securely transmitted to the cloud, where our advanced asset management system analyzes it in real time. The result? A comprehensive, intuitive dashboard that gives you instant insights into your asset's condition. No more guesswork, no more unnecessary field inspections. With Electrification X Asset Management, you can reduce unplanned shutdowns and optimize maintenance schedules based on actual asset condition. Extend equipment lifespan through early detection of potential issues. Improve overall operational efficiency and reduce costs. With Siemens Asset Management System, I can finally see in advance which equipment requires attention. It allows me to create informed maintenance plans, avoid premature asset failure, and significantly reduce the number of emergency site visits. It's transformed the way we manage our assets. Don't wait for the next breakdown. Take control of your maintenance strategy with Siemens Electrification X Asset Management. Contact us today to learn how we can help you maximize asset performance, minimize downtime, and drive your maintenance operations into the future. Siemens Electrification X Asset Management, empowering maintenance managers with data-driven insights for superior asset performance.